We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2013 Harley-Davidson Dyna Switchback in Big Blue Pearl. This paint is absolutely beautiful, especially for being a 2013. They took very good care of it. We have engine protection on the front, has the 103 cubic inch engine, 6-speed, locking saddlebags. We have a rider and passenger backrest, and rider floorboards. Extremely tall windshield, you won't feel anything when you're going down the freeway. And a really pretty dash, really nice detailing with the leather. All the chrome looks really awesome as well. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.